welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra and this is a Fashionably Fun Life, and today I have a handbag unboxing for you. It's literally an unboxing because it just came and I haven't even opened it. It's literally right here behind me. It's a pretty big box, so you can imagine it's a pretty big bag. I got myself a knife to kind of open it up here. Ooh, finally. Ooh. Ta-da-da, ta-da. Came with a little envelope. It's a little card. I bought this myself, so I wrote a little note to myself. Look at what it says. It says, I love you and you deserve the best. When you buy yourself stuff, you should send yourself little notes, because it's just a sweet reminder that you are special and you deserve the best. So let's see what else is in this envelope. A thank you for your purchase and my receipt. That's what we have here. It fell out. It is oh boy. Guess they don't want me to get in there. Da-da-da-da-da. The Loewe basket tote. It looks amazing. I've wanted this bag for like a while. Actually, when I originally wanted it, it was so much cheaper. I think it was like $4 something. And then I kept seeing the price going up. So I was like, oh, Cass, just get the bag. And since we're now in summer, I figured it would be a really, really great basket bag for me to carry. I have one basket bag I had from H&M. And then I have another Loewe goat tote that I like. That was really, really nice. So I figured this one would be a nice addition to my collection. It comes with the little Loewe things here, and the tags, and the straps come separated like this. The Loewe here in the front. And yeah, it also comes with the basket bag. I mean the dust bag. So I heard like you can put the dust bag in the bag, but it seems pretty big. It's pretty big to put it in the bag. Because I did order this bag before, and then I just didn't like the one that I got. And so they say that because it's a basket weave bag, they come in different varieties. So this one definitely looks bigger than the one that I got before in the mail. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I am just sticking this in here. And ooh, look at that. That looks amazing, doesn't it? I love it. I love it a lot. I love it. It's really, really nice. This one retails for I think it's $5.98, to be honest. It used to be $4 something. So $5.98. It's the Boso basket bag in natural color. Not too much I could say about it. I'm excited. I mean, although we're midsummer, I'm so excited to wear it. I actually picked up these shoes this summer. I picked these up, so I'm excited to wear them together. Let me know if you want a review on these. I actually just got these. And I actually love them very much. So I think these two together will look amazing. But let me try to do some shots with it. See how. So, oh yeah, this one is so much bigger than the one that I had before. The one that I had before was so tiny. I so like this one. This one is really good. This one is good. Yeah, this one is nice. I'm happy I purchased it the second time around. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to wearing my new bag. And if you have any questions or comments regarding it, I may do like a 6-month review after I've had it and worn it for a little bit to see, you know, how it wears. So if you like videos like this, luxury, fashion, and beauty, please let's become friends. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My name is A Fashionably Fun Life on all channels, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.